The life cycle of a bee is a complex and fascinating process that contributes significantly to the biodiversity and ecological balance of our environment. The journey begins with the queen bee, the sole fertile female in the hive, who lays eggs in wax cells prepared by worker bees. She can lay both fertilized and unfertilized eggs. Fertilized eggs develop into females, either workers or potential queens, while unfertilized eggs develop into males or drones. After 3 days, the eggs hatch into larvae. During this larval stage, which lasts about 6 days, the larvae are fed a rich diet of royal jelly initially, and later a mixture of honey and pollen. This intensive feeding leads to rapid growth. At the end of the larval stage, worker bees cap the cells with wax, signaling the onset of the pupal stage. Inside these sealed cells, the larvae undergo metamorphosis, transforming into pupae. The pupal stage lasts for about 12 days, during which the bees develop their adult features, including wings, legs, and eyes. Following this transformation, fully developed adult bees emerge from their cells. The role of each bee in the hive depends on its caste: worker bees, queen, or drones. Worker bees, which compose the majority of the hive, are responsible for foraging, nursing the young, and maintaining the hive. The queen's principal function is to lay eggs and produce pheromones that regulate the hive's activities. Drones have a singular purpose: to mate with a queen from another hive. The life cycle of a queen bee differs slightly. If an existing queen bee dies or the hive becomes overcrowded, the worker bees select a few female larvae and feed them an exclusive diet of royal jelly. This enhances their development into potential queens. The first emerging queen typically seeks out and eliminates her rivals to establish herself as the sole queen. This cycle of birth, development, and role differentiation is not only a marvel of natural engineering, but also underscores the intricate cooperation and specialization within bee colonies. Understanding the life cycle of bees provides insights into their critical roles in pollination and the broader ecosystem, highlighting their importance to both natural and agricultural environments.